Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Reads the Educational Planet, and today I am going to teach you a structure of a leaf through this video. Before learning a structure of a leaf, let's see what are the main learning objectives which we are going to learn through this video. So through this video you are going to learn the first thing, the basic structure of a leaf, then you will learn different parts of a leaf, and along with this you will also learn functions of each part of a leaf. So let's start with the basic structure of a leaf, and to understand this you can see an image of a leaf on the screen and we can see the different parts of the leaf. So the first part is the leaf blade, the second arrow is showing main vein, and the third part is side vein. Now let's see leaf blade. You can see an arrow on the broad surface of the leaf which is showing leaf blade. Now what is the leaf blade? Actually, the flat broad part of the leaf is called the leaf blade. It is also called the lamina. So this leaf blade is known by two names. It is also known as lamina as well as also called as leaf blade. And what is the main function of this leaf blade? The function of the leaf blade is that it helps in photosynthesis and transpiration. Now we will see main vein. In the picture you can see a yellow color long line in the center of the leaf, and the arrow is showing that it is known as main vein. So main vein is in the middle of the leaf and it is known as the main vein, and it is also called as the midrib. Now what is the function of the main vein? It supports the leaf and transports both water and minerals to the plant. Now we will see side vein. You can see in the image that arrow is on the small branches on the leaf, and these are known as side vein. Several side veins or tubes are connected with the main vein. And what is the function of this side vein? These veins carry water and minerals to all the parts of a leaf. Now let us see the most important part of a leaf, that is known as stomata. You can see a small picture where the small stomata you can see is enlarged, and this is known as stomata. Leaves also have a special structure called stomata. And what are the stomatas? Tiny openings on the surface of a leaf through which exchange of gases takes place are called stomatas. Now you will see how this exchange of gases takes place. You can see a small figure here, and you can see two arrows. One is at the upper side which is showing that carbon dioxide which is present in the air is absorbed by the stomata and it is releasing outside which gas? Oxygen. So this oxygen we are getting from the plants only. Now let us see what we have learned through this video. What are the learning outcomes? Through this video we have learned how to identify basic structure of a leaf. We also learned different parts of a leaf and their functions. What a stomata is and function of stomata. Thank you.